my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ordinary resveratrol 3% plus ferulic acid 3%. Both are potent antioxidants that protect the skin against sun damage and reduce inflammation. They also help to fight against harmful bacteria and fungi. Resveratrol, in addition, helps to improve the skin's own natural antioxidant production, while ferulic acid improves the skin's firmness and evens out the skin tone. Now, when using both in one serum and applying it to the skin, it's a great combination to prevent premature aging and improve the overall skin's health. You can use this serum daily in the morning and or evening, and it is suitable for all skin types. Now, when using it in your current existing skincare routine, you need to be aware of what should not be combined with the ordinary resveratrol and ferulic acid serum, as you then can potentially lose the benefits of your treatments. And in the first conflict, we are talking about the ordinary peptide serums, which you can see right here. Use one in the morning, the other one in the evening, or even on alternate days, depending on the setup of your skincare routine, as well as the ordinary EUK. Both are strong antioxidant serums, and therefore it is best to just go with one of them or use them in separate routines. Then when going into the setup of a skincare routine, this is a water-free solution. Therefore, if you have a thin water-based products, use them before applying your antioxidant serum. And I came up with an example skincare routine. I took already care of the conflicts. So if you want to recreate it at home, you can go ahead and do so. However, always adjust it accordingly to your skin type and skin concerns. Now here you can see the example morning skincare routine. Starting off with properly washing your face using a regular water-based cleanser that's suitable for your skin type, a cream cleanser if you have a drier skin type, a foaming cleanser if you have oily skin. Then after that, if you want to include an eye serum and you want to keep the focus towards the ordinary products, this would be the caffeine solution. If you do not want to use it, it's fine to skip it, move on to the next step. The next step would be a lightweight water-based serum. You can see some examples right here. It's an optional step, so if you do not want to include it, just skip it. And then move on to the ordinary resveratrol plus ferulic acid antioxidant serum before applying your sunscreen during the daytime if you have sun exposure. Now, the evening skincare routine can look pretty much the same, just without your sunscreen, but then you may want to replace it with a moisturizer. Or, as it does not conflict with exfoliating acids and you want to, for example, use a leave-on exfoliating acid toner or serum, then this would be the setup. Your cleansing step, then move on to your water-based exfoliant, maybe your face serum that doesn't conflict with the exfoliant nor with resveratrol and ferulic acid, then move on to your antioxidant serum, and lastly your moisturizer. Now, if in your evening skincare routine, your regular water-based cleanser isn't able to take off your stubborn mineral or mineral sunscreen or waterproof makeup, well then you can go ahead and adjust it using an oil or balm cleanser on its own, or you may want to do a double cleanse. Then you're going to use your oil or balm cleanser at first to break down your stubborn sunscreen as well as makeup, and then move on to, while your skin is still wet, onto your water-based cleanser that's suitable for your skin type to remove any last traces that you may have missed and to target your specific skin needs. And then continue with the rest of your skincare routine. Now, below the example routines, you always find the adjusted general guide of how much you would need to use and how you then would apply the products to the skin, plus a frequency guide when it comes to the exfoliant. So if you want to go over the example morning and evening skincare routine in your own time, I have prepared for you everything in a PowerPoint. This also includes the conflicts, then after that the product descriptions, what products that I have picked, for whom they are suitable, what they specifically do, so that you can select the right treatments for your needs. And then after that you'll find how you can do a patch test, order of application when using the ordinary products, the difference between wet and damp skin, some layering tips, and a sunscreen application and removal guide. It's all in the PowerPoint, which you'll find in the description box down below, and you can save it to your device. Now that you know what's important to keep in mind, let's head into the application. Now, before you apply the ordinary resveratrol plus ferulic acid antioxidant serum, it is important to properly wash your face to remove oil, dirt, sweat, sunscreen and makeup from the skin. And it is best to use lukewarm to warm water while washing your face, as this helps the cleanser to work more effectively. Now, make sure to choose the right cleanser for your skin type, as emphasized in my PowerPoint presentation. Now, in this example, I'm using the ordinary glucoside foaming cleanser, which is great for all skin types, but ideal if you have normal to oily skin. Now let's get started. First, wet your face with lukewarm to warm water. Next, squeeze out a coin-sized amount of the cleanser. Foam it up between your hands, and then evenly massage it all over your face for about 30 seconds. Rinse well using your hands. If you prefer, you can use a soft clean microfiber washcloth as a helper. To use, wet the washcloth with warm water. Squeeze it out so that it's damp, and then gently swipe it over your face, especially along the hairline, around the eyes and neck to help remove last traces of cleanser, sunscreen or makeup. After that, rinse your face again several times to ensure everything is removed. Avoid applying your skincare products to wet skin. This can cause sensitivities and layering issues. Instead, gently pat all over your skin with a clean towel to remove any remaining water droplets. Now, before you apply the ordinary resveratrol plus ferulic acid serum, you can apply your water-based eye or face serum that targets your skin concerns and does not conflict with resveratrol plus ferulic acid as detailed in my PowerPoint. In this example, I'm using the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% to target my blemishes. To apply, dispense 3 to 5 drops of serum onto the palm of your hand or fingertips. Rub them together to distribute the product, and then evenly blend it all over your face. You can also apply it to your neck if desired. Now let it absorb into the skin for about 30 to 60 seconds and then move on to the application of the ordinary resveratrol plus ferulic acid. Dispense 3 to 4 drops of resveratrol and ferulic acid onto your hand or fingertips. Rub them together and then evenly blend it over your face, including your neck if desired. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes for it to absorb and then stop right here or continue with your moisturizer that's suitable for your skin type and needs. Or if it's daytime, follow it up directly with your sunscreen to protect the skin if you have sun exposure. In this example, I'm using a moisturizer as I'm going to recreate an evening skincare routine. Squeeze out a bean-sized amount onto your fingertips. Rub your fingers together to distribute the product and then evenly blend it all over your face and neck. Now leave it on the skin, do not wash it off. And that's it. Remember that you'll find my example skincare routines, conflicts, product descriptions and so much more in my PowerPoint, which is in the description box down below, and you can even save it to your device. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring!